Hello everyone and welcome to SpatialPost.com. In this video, we will see Google Earth Web Measuring Tool. If you like to learn more about the Google Earth, you can check my other videos. As you know, with new measure tool, user can measure the distance between 2 points or the surface area of a selected chunk of the map. Open your web browser and type Google Earth Web. Click on the first link to open Google Earth on your browser. Go to search and type your desired location. Google Earth will zoom the location for you. Now identify the feature you want to measure. Let us measure the distance of road. Select the measure tool from the left panel. Now choose the starting point and place the vertex in between. Here you can see the distance between the 2 points. As you move further, the tool will measure the distance for you. If you move the end point, then the tool will calculate the new distance. Now with the same tool, user can measure the area of an object or feature. Capture the complete area by placing the point around the feature. Make sure you close the area by placing the last point on the starting point. You can check the perimeter and area values. You can calculate area of any feature you want using this tool. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you like this video. Subscribe SpatialPost.com YouTube channel and share this on social media. Visit SpatialPost.com for more details.